Hey you guys, this is our second video here in Sea Pines where we showed you about the pan and the curb and how we're prepping for a water compared to the conventional system. And now we're waiting on the inspector over here, and we have waterproof. Sammy's helping me, one of my daughters behind the camera, and she's gonna walk over and she's gonna show us how the guys waterproof this shower. We've got SK175 for a membrane, that banding that I was telling you about with the inside corners, and then we put a product called 8+9 on top of that just to reinsure. And you can see we have the bonding flange plugged, and we have also filled it with 2 inches of water. So the inspector for the town of Hilton Head's gonna come by here. He's gonna put his tape there, see that for 24 hours this pan has held water. And that is the process that we do on Hilton Head Island to assure. If your installers aren't testing their pans, they should be. On the town of Hilton Head, that is required. And if you guys need us to continue walking you through the process, give me a call at NIx Flooring.